Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change and use scale ratio in Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is incredibly useful when you're working with technical drawings, blueprints, or architectural plans where accurate measurements matter. Let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll see your workspace load up, navigate to recent files, and select the file you want to work with. This should be the PDF document where you need to adjust and apply scale ratios for precise measurements. Now look at the upper left toolbar and click on All Tools. This opens up Adobe Acrobat's full suite of features, giving you access to everything beyond the basic editing options. It's where all the more advanced functionalities live, including the measuring tools we need for this task. In the left sidebar, click View More. This expands additional tool categories that aren't immediately visible. Scroll down until you find Measure Objects, then click it. This section is specifically designed for adding measurement capabilities to your PDFs, which is exactly what we need to set up our custom scale ratio. In the left panel, click Measuring Tool. This activates the measurement functionality and prepares your document for ratio adjustments. Once it's active, you're ready to configure the scale settings that will determine how measurements are displayed throughout your document. Right-click anywhere in your PDF, then click Change Scale Ratio and Precision. This opens the dialog box where you can customize how Adobe Acrobat interprets and displays measurements on your document. It's the control center for all your scaling needs. Navigate to Scale Ratio, then type your preferred scale ratio number. For example, type 1. Next, navigate to In, which stands for inches, then set your preferred inches, for example, type 50. This means that 1 unit on your screen will represent 50 inches in real-world measurements. This ratio is essential for maintaining accuracy when reviewing plans or technical drawings. Click OK to save your settings. Adobe Acrobat will now apply the scale ratio to your document. Give it a moment to process and implement the changes across your PDF. Finally, in the bottom right, navigate to Distance tool to see the scale ratio in action. When you use this tool to measure distances on your document, it will now display measurements according to the custom scale ratio you just configured. This ensures that every measurement you take reflects the actual dimensions based on your specified ratio. And that's it. You've successfully changed and applied a custom scale ratio in Adobe Acrobat Pro, making your measurement work far more accurate and reliable. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.